Hello, I know I haven't made a video in a while, and today, what we're going to do is we are going to go to our home, go to the place, go to whatchamacallit, Lord, a grocery store. Okay, I do not need y'all to see where I live, so I'm going to cover you up for a little bit. Bye! Look how disorganized the food is. Do you see how disorganized that is? Okay, now we're going home. Bye. Okay. Now, we're coming back home.
See other people. Wow.
Oh God, I know that he is. Who are you?
Give me your money. Please don't post it. Please don't post this on here.
She has so many freaking problems.
Please don't post this on there.
She's crazy.
Don't.